Okay, here's a 1921 Evans. I just wanted to show this. I thought it was pretty cool. Obviously completely restored. Looks like it just came right off of the factory floor. Okay, and here's a 1947 Cushman and utility sidecar. Okay, here's a 1962 Honda. This is another bike that looks like it just came off of the factory floor. Okay, here's a 1960 Harley Davidson. It's a Topper H. Okay, here's a 1966 Harley Davidson. It's an M50 Sport. You even got some saddlebags in the back there. Look at that little one-cylinder engine there. Pretty cool. Alright, a 1971 Suzuki. It's the T125R Stinger. Alright, here's a 1946 Whizzer, Model H. This thing is beautiful. Remember at Bob's Classic Car Barn, they had a couple Whizzers there. All right, here is a 1966 Vespa. It's a Model SS Super Sport. Really cool. Okay, here's a 1948 Whizzer. And this is the Pacemaker. Very cool. All right, here's a 1962 Vespa. And this is a GL Gran Lusso. Your spare tire in the back there. A two-seater. Cool. Okay, here's a 1969 Honda. Model S90. Okay, here's a 1952 Matchless. It's a G9 Clubman. And here's a 1981 Harley Davidson Tour Glide with the sidecar. Here's a 1945 Harley Davidson. And it's an FL. With California police equipment. Here's a 1941 Indian. The model is a Sport Scout. Okay, here's a 1978 Puck. P-U-C-H. I guess that's how you pronounce it. I will admit, I don't know much about motorcycles. You can all correct me if I'm wrong in the description. Okay. Here is a display of pedal cars. Boy, dating back all the way back to 1927. Got various years here. Here's the display here, explaining each model and year.